The story begins not with a cataclysmic explosion, but with a whisper from the deep. For weeks, the local villagers had felt the ground tremble beneath their feet, a subtle rhythmic shuddering that grew in intensity. Strange, deep rumblings echoed from the bowels of the earth, unsettling livestock and people. These were the telltale signs of pressure building far below the surface. Magma was forcing its way upward, preparing for a dramatic entrance. On the 20th of February, farmer Dionisio Pulido tended his cornfield. A fissure opened before his eyes. Sulfurous smoke hissed from the crack as it met the cool air, the volcano's first breath.